Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into a really neat method for calculating language model tokens. It's all about accurately estimating the cost and feasibility of processing text with large language models. Exciting stuff!
Absolutely. I've been wrestling with token counts myself. The rough estimate of dividing character count by 4 is, as the article points out, incredibly rough. So, what's the better approach?
Precisely. That's where this Jupyter notebook comes in. It's a fantastic resource. It lets you specify the text, be it a string, a file, or even a whole folder, and then you select the specific language model you're using. Hugging Face or OpenAI, it handles them both.
That's clever. So, no more guesswork based on character counts? This sounds much more accurate, but how does it handle different models? They all have different tokenization schemes, right?
Exactly. That's the beauty of it. You explicitly choose the model, user/model underscore name for Hugging Face, or just the model name for OpenAI. The notebook uses the appropriate tokenizer for that specific model, ensuring accuracy. No more approximations.
I see. And the dependencies? How do you get it up and running?
Simple. It uses UV Sync to install everything. It's a really streamlined process. Once that's done, you just open the notebook, specify your input and model, and run the cells. The results are clearly displayed, showing the token count for your input. Super straightforward.
This whole process, it runs locally, right? No external API calls or anything?
That's right. It's all local processing. This is a huge advantage. No costs, no reliance on external services, and importantly, enhanced security, because your data stays on your machine. Privacy and efficiency combined.
That's a significant advantage, especially when dealing with sensitive data. So essentially, this notebook provides a secure, accurate, and cost-effective way to determine the token count for any string, regardless of the language model used. Brilliant!
Precisely. It's a game changer for anyone working with language models. It takes the guesswork out of token counting, allowing for better cost estimation and more efficient text processing. Highly recommend checking it out.
Definitely adding this to my toolkit. Thanks for highlighting this.
My pleasure. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time with more exciting tech updates. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.